Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Dollar General and we're going to go in and we're going to do some 5 off 25 deals for the 12th of September only. So I'm going to do 2 all digital deals, but I found some paper coupons that most likely will not affect you. So what I'll do is I will try with my paper coupons. They're from an early insert. And then I will just show you the pricing for what it would be with the digital coupons that are available, if you know what I mean. So anyways, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take advantage of this 3 off of 10 bear coupon that is available for everybody on their accounts. And I'm definitely going to take advantage of it. I'm going to grab this 50 count Aleve back and muscle for $6.75. There is a $2 off Dollar General exclusive digital coupon that you can use. There is also another one on there, I think for $1.50. But I have an early insert coupon for the 13th in the Smart Source of September. That's for $4 off of one. Then I'm going to grab a Alka-Seltzer Heartburn Relief Chews. I guess they're chewy. And they're $4.50, and I'm going to use a $2 off paper coupon from the 830 Smart Source, but we also have a $1 off digital coupon that you can use with this deal instead of the paper coupon. So I'm glad to bring you a deal that you can use either paper or digital, and it's still a really, really good deal. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. And like I said, for my Aleve coupon, I did get that. I got my inserts early this week. So next we're going to grab some Caress. We're going to grab 2 packages of the 3 bar soap. They are $2.75 a piece, and there is a instant savings when you buy 2 of them. You will get $2 off. Whoops, I'll fix that. And then we also have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that we can use on top of that as well, making these guys just 75 cents a piece. Then we're going to grab some Eucerin lotion for $4.50. We have a $3 off digital coupon that's a Dollar General exclusive coupon that is still available if you have not used it yet. And then we're going to grab some Ajax. We're going to grab the 52-ounce bottle of Ajax or Palmolive. They are $3 a piece, and there is a digital coupon that is available on our accounts. That is a buy one get one free coupon. It will take $3 off, making these just $1.50 a piece. And those are the real big ones. So then we're going to do a second transaction with the Cottonelle. The Cottonelle is for the 24 roll. They are $12.50. We have a $5 off 2 digital coupon. I am so excited about this deal. And we also will get an instant savings, as you can see right there on the shelf there. When you buy $15 or more of Cottonelle products, you'll save $3 as well. And then we're going to just take advantage of everything, the instant savings and all that. And we're going to add this toothbrush set here, these two packs. They're $3, and we have a $2 off digital coupon for that. And it's going to be a great transaction. Look what I did, guys. Look what I did. I wasn't going to do that, but oh well. Alright guys, so I'm back in from a Dollar General and everything went perfect. I did 2 transactions with the Cottonelle, and then I did another transaction for other items. So anyways, the Cottonelle deal went smoothly. The deal is this week is that they're actually not on sale. They're $12.50 normal price. We got a 5 off 2 digital coupon for Cottonelle items. So what is going to happen is you're going to get 2 of those, and it's going to equal $12.50 a piece. Or I'm sorry, it's going to equal $25. So then you're at your $25. So then your $5 will come off, and your 5 off 25 will come off. But since you got $15 worth of the Cottonelle, you're going to get a $3 instant savings, so that all 3 of those work together you're going to need to be at $28. So if you have a $3 instant savings, you need to be $3 above the 5 off 25 for them both to work. So what's going to happen is the $3 instant savings is going to come off. You're going to need to be at $25. Then your 5 off 25 will come off and all of your other coupons. So then I got a toothbrush. I got the Oral-B Indicator Contour Clean, and these are $3 a piece. It is the 2-pack, and you only need to get one, of course. And we have a $2 off digital coupon for this. It's for the Pulsar or the multi-packs, and it works just fine for this. So I did it twice. It came off just fine. And yeah, I paid $13 for both of those plus those toothbrushes. Perfect deal. Love it. Of course, I wouldn't do that every weekend because I don't want to spend, you know, $30 every weekend. That just kind of defeats the purpose of couponing. We want to spend a little bit of money. But when you get 48 rolls of toilet paper, that's a good deal. So here's my receipt for my Cottonelle, and I did it twice and it worked out just fine to equal $13 for both of them. So here is the toothbrush, and there is the digital coupon. There is the Cottonelle and the digital coupon for both of those. And then here is 2 store discounts. One is the instant savings and one is the 5 off 25. So here is the other Cottonelle, and here's the same thing again. So then that equals out $13 and a $15 savings right there. So as I showed you earlier in the video, when I put up this digital coupon scenario, I didn't have the paper coupon that I got the other day for my early inserts. So I wanted to try it out to see if it would work and see if I would be able to save a few more dollars. But if you don't have early inserts, then don't worry about it. There's still good digital coupons, and you can still get this deal for $6.25. So there is all of that. So the first thing you're going to get is the Caress. Now, people were saying that this was a glitch, and I'm looking at the coupon and I'm looking at the instant savings, and it's not a glitch. It wasn't ever a glitch. It was just so happens that both of the deals were together at the same time. It made it seem like it was a glitch, but it wasn't. So I bought 2 of the Caress bar soaps. These are the 3 count. They're $2.75, so it's $5.50 for the both of them. Then what's going to happen is there is a 2 off 2 store digital coupon. So that's going to bring them down to $3.50. But then there's also an instant savings. When you buy 2 Caress items, you get $2 more off. So then that's going to bring it down to $1.50 for both of them, or just 75 cents a piece. And that's not a glitch, but that's not very often that we get those deals together. Now, if we had like a 2 off 6 and it was working, that would be a glitch. But they're not a glitch. Of course, glitches are a rush and they're fun and all that stuff, but this is just an instant savings and a store coupon put together. Now, one time there was a deal going on where it was Kleenex wipes, and they were buy one, get one free coupon, but then the tag that they put up also made it like it was a store deal where it was buy one, get one free, and they were supposed to stack, but the store, and it was a glitch, but it was technically, it was just the same thing. It was a buy one, get one free coupon and a buy one, get one free tag, and it made it look like there were 2 separate deals stacking, but that was a glitch. Anyways, the next thing I got was the Ajax. I love and try to get this deal whenever it comes around. So you're going to buy 2 of these big guys here for they're 52 ounces. They're $3 a piece, and we had a buy one, get one free coupon. So when you buy 2 of those, $3 will come off, or they're $1.50 a piece. I think that's a really good deal. Then I got another Eucerin lotion. These are $4.50. And then there's that $3 off digital coupon that is still valid that you can use today. Then the last thing I got, and this was the one where it was like, if you don't have the paper coupons, do not worry about it. But we have a so with this part of the scenario, you're going to want to get $10 worth of Bayer items, and that is a store coupon. It's not an instant savings. You have to clip it to your account. So what I did is I grabbed the Aleve Back and Muscle, the 50 count. This is $6.75, and there is a $2 off digital coupon for this. And then I got the Alka-Seltzer Heartburn Relief Chews. These are 36 count, and these are $4.50, and there is a $1 off digital coupon for this. And so if you clip the 3 off 10 Bayer and have all those other digital coupons, your total for this transaction would be $6.25. But I got my inserts early, and so I used a $4 off Aleve coupon on this here. And then I used a $2 off paper coupon on this one here from the 830 Smart Source. And it's for 32 count or more, and this is for 36. This is a 36 count here. So then that brought my total for all these items just to $3.25. And I wanted to see if it would work, because sometimes when you get early insert coupons, they'll beep. They won't work. You know what I mean? So I wanted to make sure that they would work. You know what I mean? So yes, now I'm going to show you my receipts. Here is my receipt for my first transaction. As you can see, my total was $3.25 with with a total savings of $24, not an instant savings. So here is the Ajax. They are $3. And here's the other Ajax for $3. And then the $3 off right here is for that BOGO coupon. That'll just show on one. It doesn't split between the two items. So here is the Caress bar soap. The Caress bar soap is $2.75. So you're going to have you should have 3 store discounts on your Caress. You're going to have one for your 5 off 25, one because it's an instant savings, and then another because it is a store coupon, and store coupons always come up as store discounts. So you're going to have that twice. Then here is the Aleve Back and Muscle for $6.75. And I'm going to have a 5 off 25 discount, and then the 3 off 10 coupon for the Bayer products will be here as well. And then there's my manufacturer coupon for $4. And then here is my Alka-Seltzer, and the same thing, 3 off of 10, 5 off 25. And then there is the manufacturer coupon there. Here is my Eucerin for $4.50, and there's a $3 off digital coupon. So I am so excited about this transaction. And yeah, I am so happy with that deal, especially for this guy here. I love. This works for, because I have some herniated discs. This works great for that. I have, when I have headaches, I love this so much better than Tylenol. My dad has really bad hip problems from when I was 13. He was hit by a car. He was hit by a Suburban, and he really likes to use that. He doesn't like to use narcotic pain medication. So that is a really great product. So anyways, guys, $3.25 for all of that. I'll definitely take it. And all this toilet paper here. So we're good for a long time. But anyways, guys, that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Simple deals, simple Saturday. So have a great day, guys. Stay safe out there, stay healthy, and stay kind to one another. Bye, guys.